With President's rule in Manipur entering 1 year on February 13 and possibility for restoration of popular government is evident, this time it looks promising as BJP Parliamentary Board appointed National General Secretary Tarun Chugh as central observer for the election of the legislator party leader in Manipur yesterday. Chugh's appointment as central observer was cleared by the BJP Parliamentary Board. Chugh, who has handled similar responsibilities in the past, will oversee the formalities related to government formation, including the oath of the incoming Chief Minister, which is expected before February 13. Over the past 2 days, the BJP central leadership asked all its legislators as well as alliance partners from Manipur to be present in New Delhi for a crucial meeting. A meeting has been convened today at BJP headquarters and will be attended by all BJP MLAs from Manipur. Sources say after this meeting, another meeting is scheduled with alliance partners, the National People's Party NPP and Naga People's Front NPF at Manipur Bhavan in New Delhi. In addition, the Kuki-Zo insurgent groups in suspension of operations Sioux agreement with the Union Ministry of Home Affairs MHA and the Manipur government are expected to meet advisor Northeast A.K. Mishra.